Hey y'all, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. I'm Victoria. I'm a reseller and I'm here to share with you a little bit of thrifting and a haul. This video is a little late coming out because y'all, I got sick again. This has to have been the worst cold and flu season like ever. I'm one of those people that grew up and never got sick. And then once I had kids, of course, they start daycare, they bring home everything, you get sick, whatever. But that kind of mellowed out. But I don't know, this season, the end of 2023 and the beginning of 2024, ever since Thanksgiving has been terrible. One kid will catch a bunch of stuff. Somebody had COVID around Thanksgiving. We had the flu. We had the flu at Christmas. You know, I picked up COVID from them. I've picked up the flu from them. And then the beginning of the year, we've got more stuff. So it didn't even taper off after the new year started. My oldest recently had 103 temperature, ended up in urgent care. He had strep and flu type A, which he had already had flu type B. And by the way, we all got flu shots. So what's up with that? But he must have passed it to me because I thought I was dying last week. My immune system basically just went kaputs on me. And to make a long story short, I ended up with strep, a viral respiratory infection, and staph. I mean, my body could not even fight a scrape on my leg. It was terrible. But I got me some penicillin after I went to urgent care myself, and I am better than ever. So I'm catching up on when my friend Jessie, aka Gorgeous, was in town from St. Louis. I put out the first video already of us going thrifting with her at the Goodwill outlet in Mississippi. Today's video is going to be us thrifting in Mobile, Alabama. We went to the Goodwill outlet there. Not a huge haul. I'm going to, be up front, so it'll be a quick video. Didn't film tons of footage, but I still wanted to share it with you guys because it was a lot of fun. And then after we went to the outlet, we went to one of the America's Thrift stores in Mobile. I ended up having to leave after that store because, hashtag parenthood, had to go get my kids from school. The other girls went to a second thrift store. So y'all be sure to check out their channels. They will be linked in the description below. That's my girl Alicia from Murray Life, Jessie from Gorgeous, and Tanya from Double T's Treasures. They all also filmed while we were doing this. I always film the most. Somehow it ends up that way. So mine ended up being 3 videos. Today's video, the video that I put out previously, and then the one you're really going to want to watch is the next video that's going to be coming out, which is when we went to New Orleans. I hit the mother load and it's going to be a big haul. So definitely watch that. But for now, I'm going to share with you the footage of the day. Just a quick peek at our shopping trip. And then I'm going to come back and share with you what I picked up to resell and a couple things to keep for myself and my kids. Hey, Jessie.
What's up?
Where are we?
We're at the Benz in Mobile, Alabama.
Just drove over. I don't know if we can see us, but...
No.
Oh, those are your
Yeah.
camera dudes. There they are.
Hello.
Those are my friends. We are on day 2 of thrifting with Jessie while she's in town from St. Louis. We went to the Goodwill outlet first in Mobile, Alabama. This is our closest Goodwill outlet. I did insert a clip here trying to use my new camera. You guys, I'm still trying to figure it out. Sorry my hair's in the way. Eventually I'll get this dude, but I did want to insert this clip in case you've never been to a Goodwill outlet. You basically dig in these blue bins and then you pay by the pound whatever you find. Jessie. Hi. Tanya. Are you looking stuff up?
I got a Soma gown and a boho skirt and some vintage Disney replicas. And that's it. I'm sorry, what? It's still working?
It's working. We've had so many issues. Oh, hello.
We're at America's Thrift Store now. Jessie. Okay, this is the newest America's Thrift Store location in Mobile. They had moon pies. You know you're in the South in Mardi Gras season when they have cases of moon pies at the thrift store. What? So I hit the dresses first. They were jam-packed in there. In fact, Alicia snaked me to the dresses first, but they were so hard to go through, she gave up. This is a Giovanni dress. I love to pick up Giovanni. Usually sells to close to $100. It was new with tags. They had this sucker marked at $49.99. There was no way I was paying that. And then I found this really awesome 100% silk vintage skirt. It was so cute. But when I pulled it off the rack, I noticed that the tag on it did say 2 pieces and it didn't even have the price. So somebody took the top and then left the skirt, which was a total bummer because I would have gotten that for sure if the price had been right. But alas, it went back on the shelf. And so I have a couple things, did much better than the Goodwill outlet, so you'll have to watch the haul. There's Tanya. She's going through, I believe the pants are over there. And I'm going through the jumpsuits and jackets. Now, I found this Madonna. Have you ever heard of M by Madonna? Apparently this was an H&M collab. Does pretty good, but I decided to go ahead and leave it because it was $7.99. Then I found this amazing penguin ice bucket. This is totally 1950s, right up my alley. I would have bought it for myself. They don't resell for tons, maybe 25, 30 bucks, but it was missing the lid and it had a dent. That is not the lid that goes on it. It should have a round ball on the top, so I went ahead and left it. All right, here's Jessie.
You didn't even know what I said?
No.
She didn't.
But when you said it doesn't
This is
have a
Alicia.
size.
Oh, give me
Do
these.
you want this?
You can. I'll take these real quick.
Oh, yeah.
I got a flax dress.
It's cotton. It's not linen, so.
Let me show you my flax.
Y'all
Well,
sharing flax time?
look, I got a dress, and it's got this metallic in it. Oh, you got flax too?
Yeah, this isn't.
Peruvian
It's in there
connection.
somewhere.
Boring.
But
Should I
yawn.
get it?
No.
No, only the dresses.
Well, I sold a top for like $40. like
Was it
this.
knitted though?
Wool?
No.
Really?
It was still on the website though.
Oh.
Yeah.
All right, well, I don't know where Tanya is, but I'm going to leave in this place. All right, y'all, I hope that that was at least a little entertaining. Sorry that it's not as long as my normal thrift with me is. I know the last video I put out was pretty funny. At least I thought it was funny. But let me show you what I picked up to resell. We're going to start with the Goodwill outlet because that's where we went first. First thing I'm going to show you, and I will pop up comps so you can see what these items are selling for if I was able to find comparables of solds on eBay or Poshmark. So first thing in the bins that I got, it obviously was in a thrift store because the little barb is still there, is this USA soccer team shirt. Tanya actually gave this to me. It is new with tags, originally 30 bucks, was marked down to 15. This will be for my son who loves soccer. So keeping that for them. And then I love this brand. My husband wears this. I get it just at Marshall's, but it's called Denim and Flower. My husband has this exact shirt. And so I found 2 of these in my kid's size. They wear them to like church or if we're going somewhere. But anyway, I found a 3rd one. So, and this one is a USA medium. So my youngest should be able to wear this. So that's great because he has outgrown the other one he had. All right, the first thing I found at the bins to resell were some UGG pants. I've never actually gotten UGG pants to sell before. They are a wide leg cropped. They do have the terry material in the inside, have the little UGG patch right here on the back. So, and this does have the tag also, so may have come from the thrift store, but again, I'll pop up comps. You can see what I expect to get for, but these will be resold. All right, and the last thing I got from the bins, yeah, kind of a sad trip, but it's like that at these bins sometimes, was this adorable little kid sweater. It has cherries on it, and it has a bow. It looks vintage, however, you can tell that the cherries are machine done. And so I did look it up, and this is just some basic sweater. They sell it on Amazon, they sell it on some other sites, but really cute. And the comps look pretty good on it. So, I mean, I just think it's adorable, but very vintage inspired. Little cape collar on the back, so cute. I wish I had a little girl because I would keep this for her. All right, so second haul's a little bit bigger, but still kind of small. I mean, you can see from the rack, there's not tons on here. But again, it's always fun thrifting with my friends. First thing is hard goods. This is actually a Kate Spade cup. It is missing the straw, but that's fine. You can buy replacement straws. And the comps on this were pretty decent, 20, 25 bucks. They had it marked at $1.99 at the America's Thrift Store. I knew what it was immediately, even though the Kate Spade's kind of, you know, small in one area. I actually have the coffee mug of this, and it's an older print, so they don't make this anymore, but so some people really like this because it has a bunch of like classic books on it, the shelves and everything. It's really cute, globe, a little clock. So yeah, I picked it up and I will resell this. I did find me one pair of joggers. Love when I can find something for myself. They're just some cute little rainbow joggers from Old Navy, but you know, that's one of the best things about the job that we have is you can be outsourcing for your business and find stuff for yourself. By the way, this thing on my head is called a turban. My grandmother used to wear them all the time, and I, when she passed away, got her collection of turbans. I really like to wear them because when I don't feel like doing a ton of stuff to style my hair. This one I got from my new friend, Allie from Gulf Coast Goods. She is a fellow Southern reseller. She's from Florida, and she was kind enough to just send it to me. So I'm gonna have to send her some super geeked goodies to thank her for the sweet gesture, but I love it because I didn't have one in this color. All right, so clothing to resell. I got this at America's Thrift Store. Really thought this was a cute blazer. This is called a window pane plaid. It is double-breasted, and it is by the brand Maison d'Amelie from Paris. This brand has been carried by Anthropologie. I don't think that this specific jacket was carried by Anthro, but it is a blogger favorite. So, and it came out in like a houndstooth and a couple of other prints. It's in great condition, and they only had it marked at $6.09. So I grabbed it, thought it was cute. This is a dress brand that I like to pick up when I find it. It's called Tyler Bowie, and this is a knit pineapple dress. It's got this cute like ruffled collar that sticks up. And these dresses usually sell between $50 and $75. And they had it marked at $8.69 at the thrift store. Hey, two really great vintage dresses. These style vintage dresses I usually can get about 50 bucks for. This is a 1960s floral. It does not have a tag in it, which could mean that it was handmade. A lot of stuff was handmade back then, but great quality. Stitching's really good. I like the sweet little coral floral, that rhymes. Of course, metal zipper because it is vintage. It's got these cute little cuffed sleeves about knee length in a polyester, so just really cute. And let's see what the thrift store had it marked at $5.69. So that'll be a good turnaround if I can sell it for $50, $55. And this is another cute vintage dress. This one does have a brand tag on it. I thought it looked very nautical, like these could be like the nautical flags, the navy button front will be really cute for spring. America's Thrift Store had it at $5.69. And I think green tags were either 30% or 50% off, but the brand is called Flutter By. It also still has where this would have been the size tag, but you really can't make it out anymore. I don't know, maybe if I get my magnifying glass out, I can figure it out. But anyway, another polyester dress, late 60s, early 70s, sort of like house dress style. It does have a belt at the waist. Very cute, and again, a knee-length dress. All right, and the last item for this tiny little fast haul, I had run to the front to go to the restroom and saw this on the return rack at the front up by the registers where people maybe decided they didn't want to get it. It is a midi length linen dress, and the brand, I bet you can guess, is Flax. This is really cute because it has this like button detail in the back. Thrift store had it at $5.69, so good price. And it does have pockets too. We love a dress with pockets. So super quick haul. Again, you're gonna want to watch my next video because Best thrifting trip that I have had in so long. My favorite thrift store in New Orleans, 1 hour, and I found 20 something pieces. I don't know, I'll tell you in the next video, but anyway, it was so good, and I'm so excited to share it with you. So many designer pieces, some great vintage, just super excited. I wish I would have had more time to stay, but unfortunately I had to go meet the girls for lunch, and they would have killed me if I was late. Y'all, don't forget to go check out my friends' channels that'll be linked in the description below. If you're new to my channel, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this. A lot of times I can be long-winded and have big hauls. I am known for selling vintage and dresses. So if that's your jam or you want to learn more about it for reselling purposes, then definitely stick around and subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye, y'all.